So this is Clawdbot, and it's an AI assistant that doesn't just talk to you. It actually gets things done for you.
So you're probably wondering, what really makes Clawdbot different from the AI chat tools you might have already played around with? Let's get into it.
You know, the biggest problem with most AIs right now is that they have zero memory. Every single time you talk to them, it's like you're a total stranger. And they're passive, right? They just sit there and wait for you to ask a question. Well, Clawdbot completely flips that script. It remembers everything, so it actually gets to know you. And, this is the real game changer, it can message you first.
And maybe the best part is that Clawdbot comes to you. You don't have to open up another browser tab. It works right inside the apps you're already using all day, every day, like WhatsApp, Telegram, or Slack. You just text it, like you'd text a friend.
Okay, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds awesome, but it's got to be complicated to set up. Well, let's walk through how you get your own Clawdbot up and running. I promise it's way easier than it sounds.
The whole thing really just breaks down into 3 easy parts. You download it, you run a quick setup, and then you connect it to your chat app. That's it.
First step, you just pop open a terminal on your computer and type in one single command. That's literally all it takes. This one line downloads everything you need to get started.
And next up, you run the setup wizard. And don't worry, this isn't some crazy long process. It's just going to ask you a few simple questions to get everything configured just right for you.
All right, for the final piece of the puzzle, you've got to connect Clawdbot to a messaging app so you can actually talk to it. We're going to use Telegram for this example, just because it's one of the easiest ways to get going.
So the first thing you'll do is hop into Telegram and start a chat with a special account called BotFather. Yeah, I know, the name's a bit much, but its only job is to help you create your new bot. You just follow the super simple instructions it gives you. BotFather is then going to give you this long, special piece of text called a token. You could just think of it as a secret password for your bot. All you do is copy that code and paste it right back into the Clawdbot setup when it asks for it. Easy.
And just like that, you're done. Your personal AI assistant is officially live. So now, the really fun part starts. Let's check out what this thing can actually do for you.
This is where you really see its proactive side shine. You can give it a simple, one-time instruction, something just like this. Schedule a daily briefing for 8 a.m.
And then, without you ever having to ask again, it'll ping you every morning with the weather, a look at your calendar for the day, and the top news you actually care about. It just works for you, automatically, in the background.
It can also become your personal researcher. I mean, you can give it a really complex topic, like asking for the latest info in a super specific tech field and just let it go to work.
And this is what you get back. Clawdbot will go out, it'll browse the web using its own built-in skills, and then it sends you a perfect, concise summary with all the sources right there. It's incredibly useful.
So, after seeing all that, you're probably asking yourself, okay, but is this tool really for me? Well, let's break down who this is really built for.
Look, Clawdbot is amazing for developers and power users. People who love to automate stuff. It's fantastic for teams on Slack or Discord that want a shared assistant, and because it runs on your own computer, it is perfect for anyone who cares about privacy and wants to keep their data in their own hands. Really, it's for anyone who wants an AI that's truly integrated into their life, not just another website to visit. Here's the main thing to take away. Clawdbot isn't just another chatbot you mess with in a browser. It is a true AI assistant that remembers you, works for you without being asked, and lives right where you are. And the best part? It's something you can set up and start using yourself today.